All right, I'm going to record how to make an interactive PowerPoint in an interactive world. So what you do is you first get a PowerPoint, and all you do is you insert any kind of picture you want. So here I inserted a picture of a kitchen. You can see the kitchen's right here. And what I've done is I've actually taken screenshots of certain items in there, and that's what I'm using to click on. So I took a kitchen. But you could do anything. I could come over here and I could insert an image. I could even search the web over here on Google. I could do the beach. And I could put the background of the beach. And I can insert that. And that's what I'm going to use. So I could come over here and I just take my snipping tool. And I just do new, and let's say that we want to say click on the water. What happens when you click on the water? I'll just take this tool. I have my picture here. I control it, I copy it, and then I take my picture and I paste it. Once I paste it in the PowerPoint, I can move it over and it looks like nothing, but I know there's a picture there. What I can do then is I can take this and I can say insert link. That means that that picture, when I click on it, is going to be linked to something in the PowerPoint. So let's say I want to make this one be, ask a question. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to link that. I can come over here, make a new slide. This could be the slide for group work or challenge question. I could make it a really hard group work challenge question. So then I come over here and I'm going to link the image so that when I click on it, it'll take them to the group work challenge question. I come down here, I link it to slide 14 group work challenge question and apply. And now, whenever I'm in this PowerPoint and I click on this, boom, group work challenge question. And that's that.